Monday, and it's time to talk technology with Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Luis, welcome back to the show.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Doing pretty good. So let's talk about Starlink internet service, global broadband. What exactly is it? Who's put it together, and why is it important?
This is yet another project taken on by our good, crazy CEO friend, Elon Musk of Tesla and SpaceX. Starlink is a low Earth orbit satellite network that's designed to provide high-speed internet access to areas of the world that don't have any other coverage. So this kind of supplements traditional wired broadband as well as 5G networks and provides pretty fast. Right now it's 300 megabits, and they're expecting to get up to 1 gigabit once it's fully deployed in a couple of years. But the idea is that they're going to put in thousands of satellites across the globe in space, and you'll be able to get internet access from anywhere on the planet except the North and South Pole. It's pretty cheap. It's only $99 a month. You have to pay about $500 for the satellite receiver and things like that. But quite frankly, for a lot of folks, even in Monterey County and San Benito County that live in rural areas, think of like Big Sur or out in the middle of some of the farms in South County, this is going to be a boon because they'll be able to get access to the internet faster and better than the options that they have right now, which, if you don't have any sort of wires coming into your property, the best you can get is HughesNet. And those use geosynchronous satellites, which are very far away and very slow, and the latency is very high. So it's not really something you can use for anything more than just, internet surfing.
I noticed that when I was working down the coast that there wasn't any cellular service like in Lucia, and you had to have DSL type connections. So for people that live down the coast, the Big Sur coast, as you mentioned, or you live back up in the hills, Palo Colorado Canyon, places like that, sounds like this would work out pretty well for you.
Absolutely. And it's going to be available starting next month. There was a question as to when it was going to become available, and Elon Musk revealed that it's now available as of August of 2021. So if you're interested, you can go to starlink.com, put in your address, and it'll tell you if the service is available now, but it will be available globally by the end of next year. So keep on checking if right now it's not available.
That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, online, alvareztg.com, at AlvarezTG. That's the Twitter handle, and Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.